This little fall Halloween Lush haul has been about a month in the making, but I'm so excited to finally have my goodies here in my clutches. Ooh! I'm gonna be sharing with you today what I got for my fall Halloween Lush haul. I know it's a little bit late, we're in like mid-October here, but I actually ordered my products in mid-September and there was a little bit of snags in shipping. It wasn't Lush's fault at all, but basically FedEx misplaced my shipment, so it took, a couple weeks for them to talk to each other from between Lush and FedEx, find out where my package is, and basically it was gone. Lush actually offered to either send me a replacement, give me store credit, or just refund my card. So what I did is I asked for a refund. That way I could just order through my store locally, since my store actually finally was able to do in-store pickup if you order online, and they also had the Halloween products that I wanted in stock. So I asked to do that, and I turned around and ordered right away. That way I could get this up for you guys, and that way I can start taking my Lush Halloween baths before it's too late. I still am using Christmas stuff from last year, but So yes, I'm super excited to bust open this bag. Now I have to tell you, I got a Lord of Misrule here product in here, and I have never smelled it before because my stores never had them in stock in the past, and it was only available online, and I don't know. I don't know what to expect, and I'm excited to smell it here live on camera for you today. I feel like that product mostly people love, but there are some people that not so much. I wonder what camp I'm gonna be in. Stay tuned to find out. By the way, if you are new to my channel and new to my face, my name is Ashley Ellix, and if you'd like to subscribe, if you want to see more from me, just hit that little red button down below. I post beauty-related, cruelty-free videos 3 times a week, and I'd love to have you. But enough about all of the formalities, enough of the intro. If you are ready to see the products that I picked out all up close and personal and to see kind of how my reaction is on some of these, then you're in the right place, and all you need to do now is sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Boop. Let's dive in, okay? I have to admit, this bag is deceivingly large, okay? It's not that wild of a haul. It's pretty modest. I wanted to control myself. And honestly, I had gotten a couple Halloween products last year that were repeats this year that I didn't love, so I opted out of those. And one of them, in case you're curious, was the Black Cat Bubble Bar, okay? I got that one, and the reason why I didn't get it again was because it stained my bathtub, and it was just such a jerk to use, quite frankly. I didn't want to do that to myself again. So I opted out of that one. It smelled amazing though, and it bubbled really, really well. So if staining of the bathtub doesn't bother you, then the Black Cat Bubble Bar will be fine. But for me, I didn't want to put myself through that. Okay, I'm gonna start with very, very frightening because this might be the one I'm most excited about. So let's check it out. So this is a limited edition fall shower gel, and they describe it as a lemony, fresh kind of citrusy smell. I'm seeing grapefruit oil that is used in there, which I'm really excited about, and also bergamot oil and some almond essential oil, which should be really hydrating. Also uses fresh fig juice. Let's take a sniff of the shower gel because I'm super excited. Ooh, it is lemony. It's lemony fresh and a hint of that bergamot oil. Oh, that is super nice. Ooh, you'll see it's very thick. It's not like the Nana shower gel that launched earlier this year. It's a little bit looser than that, but it doesn't look as thin as their regular ones. I don't know, it's kind of like an in-between mixture. Looks like it's gonna foam up really well. I gotta take one more smell. That'll be nice, although I wouldn't quite place it in a fall season. I would place this in the spring, honestly, because it has that lemony fresh. It kind of like not like cleaning products, but kind of. Okay, I want to do Boo. I got Boo, but I know that one has the Lord of the Misrule smell, so I think I should try the Lord of Misrule bath bomb. I didn't get the Lord of Misrule shower gel, but the bath bomb, because I was already getting the Boo, which is kind of like a shower gel slash exfoliator. So let me do the Lord of Misrule bath bomb first, because I feel like that would be most like the scent. Take a little smell, take a little sniff. Moment of truth. Unless you at home are like, no, it doesn't even smell like the actual shower gel. But I feel like I've heard that it does. That's nice. Ooh, yay, yay. I was going back and forth on these Lord of Misrule products because I was like, I just don't know. Okay, I know this is supposed to be patchouli, black pepper oil, vanilla, but patchouli kind of scares me because my sister-in-law is super allergic to it. She doesn't live anywhere near me. She's actually up in Washington, which is really sad. I love her so much. Love you, Shannon. But I'm always nervous because I know it's supposed to be like a really strong fragrance, but I don't, to my recollection, actually remember what patchouli smells like. And like, I'm kind of limited on where I can go and just like go and smell that so easily. So I don't know, but this smells freaking amazing. I get that musky, peppery smell too with it. So maybe that's balancing the patchouli. I'm so curious now. I need to go smell a bottle of patchouli because like, what does it smell like? So this is the bath bomb, and what really sold me honestly is it's supposed to have the crackling candy in there. I got the popcorn one from last Christmas for Lush, and I loved that bath bomb so much. It was so much fun to just hear the little kind of like pop rocks popping in the bathtub. I don't know, it was a total like, you know, just moment and experience, and it just felt like a kid again, but also relaxing, and I like that. I'm kind of sad to see that that popcorn one isn't in the Christmas edition again this year. I'm hoping they have another popping candy one, but I wanted to get this just in case there wasn't. This smells so amazing. I'm not gonna be able to stop smelling it. Great, and now I'm gonna want a shower gel of that. Okay, at least it's year round now, at least online in the States. I know it's kind of everywhere, depending on the country and the store and online, whatever, but I'm excited for this. Okay, I gotta follow that up with the Boo, because this year in 2020, this is supposed to smell like Lord of Misrule. So let's check this out. What did it smell like last year? I know it was supposed to be different, but now I can't remember what it was. So this is the shower slime, which I believe has some coconut flakes in it that's supposed to be exfoliating for your skin. Sounds pretty good. Let's open her up and check it out. Ooh, goopy. Yeah, you can see all that grit in there. It looks very interesting. Let's pour some out. Let's see how goopy and slimy and sludgy it is. Yeah, it's like a sludge. Ooh, I don't know. That's just satisfying, okay? And then I just put the lid on and pop that back in. Oh man. Okay. Not quite as good as the bath bomb. This one's more peppery. Oh, I feel the little granules in it. I do. I don't like it as much. I don't like it as much. I'm not gonna lie, I usually stay away from other people's reviews of things, but my order was taken such a long time being lost and stuff that I had to look at some other people's reviews of these, and what they said was this didn't smell exactly like Lord of Misrule. Most of the ones that I watched said that it does smell more peppery than Lord of Misrule, and I have to 100% agree. I honestly thought this was going to be a safer bet because it was supposed to smell like less like patchouli. I think I like patchouli because yeah, this is more peppery. Ooh, it has glitter in there. That's really pretty. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. Hopefully it will. That's super cute. Completely undecided on the fragrance of this one. Loving the bath bomb though. Oh, now I think I need the shower gel. Somebody talk me out of it. Quick, go. Okay. Those are 3 products so far. I got 2 more to share with you. So I also have the Monsters Ball Bath Bomb, which I know is a repeat of last year. I believe I smelled this in stores last year and I really liked it, but I was trying to like slow my roll and reel it in. So I was excited to snag it this year. Yes. I like that. Ooh, that's so lush. That's so like, kind of candy-y, but not too much like Snow Fairy. Oh, it's just super nice. Ooh, look at how cute he is too. And it's kind of like off-center, but like in a really cute, like, kind of way. He's adorable. Oh, take a look at my cute little monster guy. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy that bath a lot. That's gonna be so much fun. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh. Okay, so I have one more product that isn't a fall Halloween product, but I have decided anytime I see this available when I'm either doing an order or picking one up, I'm gonna order this because I love it. Okay, I love it. It launched for Valentine's Day last year. They brought it back this year to be like a year-round product. I say this because they're always discontinuing stuff. Okay, it is the Peach Bubble Roon Bubble Bar, whatever you want to call it, the bubble sudzer guy. See how it's like the macaroon style with that, you know, moisturizing stuff they put inside. I don't know how they do it. It is just magic, okay? I got this for myself for Mother's Day. I did a little care package for myself, and I kind of held off using this because I was like, I want that special moment, you know? Well, when I went to use it, I broke it in half, and let me tell you, this is the most moisturizing, nice, pleasant, amazing Lush bath I have ever taken was with half of this. Oh my goodness, and my bath is pretty big too. Half of it filled my bathtub with bubbles. It smelled amazing because you got that fresh peach juicy kind of smell. A little bit of grapefruit oil. It's just so lovely, and I have really dry skin, and most of these Lush bath products are just fun, okay? I'm not really expecting much from these bath bombs as far as skin-loving ingredients go. I'm just expecting a fun bath experience with a nice smell and just the sudsy feeling. But when it comes to this peach bubble bar thingy, oh my gosh, my skin feels incredible after. I feel so moisturized and it's just so nice, and it's just all around checks off all of my boxes. It's so good. Let me know down in the comments below, is there a bubble bar or a bath bomb? I think bath bombs are hard to be super moisturizing, but is there a bubble bar or whatever bath product you like that is super moisturizing and you actually feel a difference with your skin? I would love to know. Please drop it down in the comments below for me and everybody else who might be curious. So that is it for my little fall Lush Halloween haul. It wasn't like a super crazy big haul or anything. Like I said, I had already experienced a few of the products last year and I knew I didn't need to pick them up this year for one reason or another, like the Black Cat. I love the bubble bar. I think it's a great bubble bar and it's moisturizing and it's fun, but I don't like how it stained my bathtub. Let me know down in the comments below if you plan on getting anything from either fall or Christmas or what's up, what's your deal, what's your favorite Lush product, and go. Okay. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I super appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, new to my face, I would love it so much if you consider subscribing before you go and fall down the rabbit hole, which is YouTube, and I get lost in the YouTube sauce. But that's it for now. I'll see you all next time, and I hope you have a great, freaking, awesome, wonderful, beautiful day. This little fell, which seems weird because it was hot, but you know what if you're curious, just whatever, whoever it was that those ones are, I'm excited overall. Hope you're having a good time. Hope you're having a good day, evening, all of that. And yeah.